Hello YouTube, WJ's Handy Dad here, and today we're going to do an unboxing and check out this Zurich ZR13 Code Reader. Now I've had a code reader for quite a while, but I saw this one on sale and I thought I would take a chance on it because it has the ABS as well as the airbag, in addition to everything else that my old one had. You see, this one has everything basically. So obviously reads the codes, emissions, definitions in English, hotkey functionality, freeze frame data, on-screen code severity, oil light reset, diagnose erase ABS codes, battery alternator system check, trip cycle procedure, stream live data, graph and record live data, battery reset, LED, OBD2 cable, fix assist, diagnose and erase the supplemental restraint codes. So it has a few bells and whistles that my old code reader did not have. So I don't have fingernails. I need Mrs. WJ Handy Dad out here, but I do have a knife, so that'll work. So you see, comes with the connection cable obviously, but also comes with batteries. They look like they're generic batteries, but hey, I'll take them. And of course, instruction manual. This appears to be sealed as well. So I'm anxious to try this and see what it does that my other one didn't do. I went ahead and cut this open. So it also has a USB cable, I'm guessing that maybe connects to the computer. Yeah, I always hate when they do that where you need a screwdriver to put the batteries in. I like the old fashioned where you just plastic tab, slides, whatever. Let me go grab a screwdriver. Just screw that on there that way. And this side just plugs into your data port on your car, and there's generally two ways you can do this. One is plug this in with the key on but the engine not running, but obviously if you're needing live data then you'll have to have the engine running. And then I'm guessing that plugs there to, if you're gonna hook it up to a computer. On the Crown Vic, your data plug is right up there. Charger, it's right up under there. Alright, I have mine on. Pick my language. I'll go with standard instead of metric. So you see I have no trouble codes. And of course I don't know what I'm doing after this. So it says to press any hotkey, but apparently those are not hotkeys. So I'll have to play around with the directions. But anyway, it shows you a 113,000 mile and approximately 11-year-old car, probably a 2008 year model in 2018 near the end of the year. No codes, and I haven't done anything to have to fix anything, you know, due to codes, so that's good. I had a check engine light briefly with that catalyst below threshold, but I cleared it and it went away and never came back. So I don't know if that was just a fluke thing from, you know, too much sea foam or something like that, but it runs great. Let's see if we can get the live data on here. So this is where these tools can be a little bit better at helping you with your vehicle. I think a lot of people assume that something like this, you plug in and it says, oh, you know, the oil was changed half as often, and, you know, head gasket's about to fail and your brakes are low, and, you know, but no, they don't do that. All they do is tell you if there's a trouble code somewhere. But if you are trained in how to use this live data, you can sometimes figure things out from it that, you know, basically the computer's not going to tell you what's wrong with the car, so you still have to know what you're doing. I don't know if any of this is showing up on the screen there. Go back up here for a sec. So you got the mass air and the throttle position sensor there. When I hit the gas, how that changes. Anyway, when you learn what all these mean and what they should say under different conditions, then that can help you with diagnosing your car much more so than just a trouble code. Now I'm in the Charger, and again, no trouble codes on this car as well. Of course, I don't have the engine running, so there shouldn't be any live data. But again, just like on the Crown Vic, this can be helpful for diagnosing things if you know what to do with the data. Anyway, I'm gonna have fun playing with this. You know, when you're buying used cars with 100,000 miles on them, you know, you're bound to run into problems that this will be a useful tool to solve, as well as, you know, going to auction. I can plug this in, you know, if I go to a live auction. Most of the time I do an online auction, but at a live auction, go and plug it in and see if there's any codes or anything interesting from the data. So anyway, hope the video was helpful. If it was, appreciate a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and please tell your friends about my channel. Thank you very much.